All right. Sit down, Amber. Amber, go back. So this is after 3 days, and I can start to see these things are growing out. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 2's not doing anything. That one's not doing, and this one's not doing. Okay, I'll update you a little bit later. Okay, here's day 4. Getting a little bit bigger. All right, this is day 5. See, they keep coming out. We'll give it about 5 more days, 5 to 7 more days, and see what happens. Then we'll get ready to plant them. These are only after 2 days. Look at this. Wow. So that's 5 days. This is 2 days. And look at that baby. It's ready to plant. So this is the way to go. Not this method. Use this method. So I'm going to go ahead and get these planted up. Only after 1 day. After 1 day I got growth. Hi, good morning. Some of the fishermen. That's awesome. Alright, this is day number 3. And it's looking good. Got good growth here. This is starting to come up. This is starting to peak out. Looks like this one's gonna open up soon. Looking good. Alright, this is the next day. Whatever day that is. Good growth here. Excellent. This one's looking good. This one has popped up. And now this one is starting to open. I don't know what those other three are going to do. Oh, I see this one is starting to crack open. This one, the shell has moved a little bit. And this one is starting to crack open too. Alright, they're looking good. Keep going. Alright, here's the next day. You can see this one's going really good. All these are doing good. Now this one's starting to open. And I think this one's going to open soon. So man, this really works. Alright, here's the next day. They are looking good. Only this one's not doing anything. But I think soon I'm going to transplant this one and this one. Give these a little bit more time to get as tall as those, then I'll transplant those. They're looking good. Okay, here's the next day. They're all looking good. This one's starting to come up. So tomorrow I'll transplant this one and this one into a big pipe. Alright, let's see you then. Well guys, the peanuts have been in the big pots for 2 months now. And I like to leave them a little bit longer, but we got a typhoon on the way. And I need to get them up, or they could wind up in my neighbor's yard and eat my peanuts. So the pots are too big, too heavy for me to move inside. So I'm just gonna have to go ahead and dig them up. So let's see what we got. All right, as you can see, the weeds have overtaken them, but let's get them out and see what we got. Wait, dig some up here. Hey. Oh, let's look over here. Oh, there's one right there already. Yeah, good. All right, let's dig them up. See them. Got here. Well, those are tiny. Oh, that's the weed. That's the peanut. Oh, there's the peanuts. Yes, sir. Now are we talking? Oh yeah, that's a good bunch. Alright, let's try another one. Get these weeds out of here. Oh, I see a peanut there. Oh, there's a little small one. A little batch there. See what we got here. Oh yeah. Now, that's looking good. Alright, that's all for that one. That's all weeds. Let me get that out. Well, here's the second pipe. That one's got a few good ones on it. Alright, let's see what else we can get. Alright, here's another pile. Ooh, they looking good. I thought it was going to be too early, but I like to leave them in. Yeah, I got some small ones, but those are okay. Ah, there's a good batch. A little tiny there. Okay, I got them all cleaned up, and I tell you, like I said, I want to leave them a little longer. There's some small ones in there, but for just the few amount of plants I got, look at these peanuts. So, I'm not going to eat any of these. I'm going to pre-plant all of these and get a bigger harvest next time and just keep multiplying. So, for my first time, I'm pretty proud of how they turned out. So, and the good thing about the Philippines is we can grow all year long here because it's always hot. My new baby chickens out there. Fishermen. Well, I said I wasn't gonna eat any of them, but I'm gonna eat one. I love peanuts. I love them raw. I love them boiled. I love them roasted. I love peanut butter. So I'm gonna go eat one. See y'all.